So greetings everyone. My name is Vianney. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I want to use this medium to thank you all for the massive engagement, the subscriber, the like, the shares, and the positive comments so far. I really appreciate so much. So on today's topic, I'll be briefing you guys on series of analysis we caught on BTC USD, analysis continuation we caught on BTC USD. So as of last class, we existed our buy at this breaker block, which okay, I also have it in mind that market is going to take out this buy side liquidity, and right now we are looking for a zone that market will continue the buying opportunity. You can see that this is series of higher high, higher low, higher high. So we are going to see series of higher low and the buy continuation. So here we serve as our liquidity. So it's either we use this block or we use the POI close to the inducement, and the POI close to the inducement is this fair value gap. So the fair value gap is the actual POI that is close to this, but I didn't take a buy continuation here because I'm actually off chart. So right now let's play the chart and see what the chart has for us. So right now market couldn't break this high right now, and you can see how market is right. So this place just serve as a little block for a little pullback. So let's say market generated this our first pullback, markets generated a this thing, a an engineer liquidity. So right now which block is close to it, so we can use the fair value gap. You can even use either the half of the fair value gap. I think price always snipe the half of the fair value gap, the 50% of the fair value gap most time. But I didn't take it, so I'm just telling you guys so that you'll be following up in the process. So at this point, let's play the chart because we are going to take out this buy side liquidity. Yeah, our main target is to take out this buy side liquidity with even a break of structure with a push up. So, and you can see that this buy side liquidity is even acting like the a all time high for BTC. So let's play the chart and see what the chart has for us. So right now price has tapped into our zone. I think it didn't get to the 50% of the block. So if you take a buy from here, you should be in good profits. So on today's one, price didn't tap at the 50% of the fair value gap. So our target should be this breaker block, just with a break or structure, just with a little bit space. So let's play the chart and see what it has for us. So it has cleared the buy side liquidity. Let's see how it goes. TP hit. So you can see as TP hit. Wait. So right now as our TP has hit right now. So right now, as you all can see that TP hit and we got a pullback right now. So I think this was where I took a buy. This was where I took a good buy from. So let's play the chart to get a good structure. Let's get a good structure. So at this point right now, you all can see that this place is acting like a resistance till market broke this zone. So now this resistance, this acting resistance, that you can see that there is a lot of pullback at 8 points, that this resistance now turn to a support. Once the resistance is broken, it returns to a new support. So right now this zone now has turned to my own support right now. So right now I'll draw a straight line in my imagination to say that okay, this place is my resistance. So where am I supposed to buy from? So right now I have a liquidity grab. I have a liquidity grab I'll use my I'll use my this thing. I'll use my the last bearish candlestick, which is my order block. Then here is my clear break or structure. Why here is my inducement or liquidity that need to be swept. If you even refine the entry at the lower time frame, you can see that you can even use here as your liquidity. So let's play the chart and see what the chart has for us. So now we got a reaction. So our TP should be this high, even with a break of structure, with a little bit break of structure. So if we use the 50% of this block right now, so our SL at this zone just with a little bit space to see how it goes. So I think this setup was dropped when Minu played ball, and it was fun. It was fun. After our loss at my, I'm not a Minu fan, but after our loss, we still make some money for our celebration, and up thoughts here. So this is the series of trade that I caught on BTC US. This is the buy that I caught on BTC USD, and currently I'm actually looking at this zone right now, which it's actually playing out. It's actually playing out, but I didn't give it out to my free group. So this was the trade. I said buy BTC USD, and I think there was an FA, there was a fundamental analysis that was around the corner. So this was when I gave it to my free group. So, and you can see this person chatted me that okay, that I'm always a sniper entry, and then very to the world, and I appreciated him. So my fan, when we started the ball, and I assured them that we are going to win the match. This was an analysis I gave on good, which this person made good profits, and you can see how the push up was going, and Man U lost the match. So this person made $20 from this BTC USD, and at this point we hit our TP. I think we target the buy side liquidity and we hit the TP. So that's it. And I actually removed some people that are not following on the group. So if you want to join the group, it's very free of charge. DM me with the link on the bio. I'll give you access to it. Terms and condition applied, which you are going to be following up on the group. You are not going to be occupying space. You are going to be winning. 2025 is our year. We are going to be winning. So coming back right now. So I'm looking at this mitigation block mitigated a zone here. A zone here. So right now, this is our acting liquidity. Let me go to the higher time frame. Let me go to the higher time frame. Hold on. So right now we have, let's shift this to a little bit. Okay, right now let's say at this 45 minutes, let's say 45 minutes. Okay, we have this inducement here. We have this inducement here that need to be swept, which was the first pullback after the pump. Which was the first pullback after the pump. So right now, this is the first block. So this block mitigated here. Why this one? So this block now, I'm interested to buy from this block, which actually it has start playing out. So right now, what is my intention here? This block, at the 50% of this block, I should take my buy. I should take my buy and sell. So to take out this high. So let's play and see how it goes. So okay, market actually range. So right now, hold on, let's get a good structure for this thing. So let's see how it goes. Hold on hold on Okay, right now you can see how market tap into our POI. You can see how market tap into our POI, and we are getting a push up ASAP. So this is the current trade I'm actually on, and I'm actually rooting for even a good break of structure to the upside, since we're actually bullish. But I think the safer TP is either you up out here or you up out at this high. Two things are involved. Okay, yeah. So the safest is for you to up out at this high, which I think market is actually currently here. Or let's play it to the end. Let's play it to the end. So right now you can see that market is actually here. This is where market is. This is where market is. So right now, let's see how it goes. I'll give you guys an update on our next video. So at this point, I want to use this medium to thank you all. Please like, comment, share to your family and friends that needs this video so much, and let's see how it goes. I'll keep on being consistent to post my daily analysis on this YouTube channel. Please, new to the channel, turn on your notification for massive engagement. Peace out.